Hey yo, what's going on? We back here at the Sancho Mobile on the 6 Dookie. Real quick, oh shucks, almost fell. I just finished spraying the transmission. I sprayed it all black. We're going to set up this transmission jack, get this car up in the air, get the transmission in. I'm real curious to see what's up with this dry shaft, man. I'm hoping if the car gods is on my side, I am hoping that this dry shaft work. If the dry shaft works, this is how smooth it's gonna go today. I'm gonna install the transmission cross member, install the dry shaft. If the car gods is on my way, then after that, it's going to the exhaust shop. So, oh, let me turn the camera around real quick. This is a manual. If you look here, there's no power steering. I don't have a power steering on here. Damn, I actually forgot to grab it. Shoot, I have one in LA or whatnot. I'm going to use for this car, but I have to swap out this this gearbox here, and put on another one, which I don't know where it is. It's over there in the corner, and this is actually going to have power steering. No more muscle in it, and I think he also wanted to swap out that brake booster because he was having a problem with the brakes, and the shifter linkage was messed up as well. So I also have to do the shifter linkage. So stay tuned. Let's get this stuff going. Ooh, who is him? You know what I'm saying? Got the baby little shamoos coming in. Cut the beard off, you know. Ooh, who is him? Got the transmission jack put together. Took about a whole 30 minutes. I'm going to just tighten all the bolts down. If you guys see the wheels, they're looking a little bit cockeyed. So I'm about to tighten the wheels up real quick. Just basically tighten everything up. Get the transmission on here, get this thing up, and get the transmission installed on the 6 Doogie. Ooh, man, I got my hands dirty the other day. I hate my hands. You see all them little cracks and stuff? Oh man, I hate that stuff. You see that? I hate that stuff. My uncle came through and blessed me with these gloves, man. Woo-wee. I was so happy I almost forgot about them. Hate working without gloves, man. So here's the transmission. It's all painted black. I'm about to, I still gotta take this piece off right here. I gotta take the neutral safety switch crap off. And right now I'm just letting the transfer fluid fall out of there. Letting all that stuff come out. Then I gotta take these off and put the AN fittings on there. So for those of you that's new to the channel and haven't seen basically me do a transmission, how I do my transmission lines, all you need is these two parts here, and you need two of these, which are the AN6 90 degrees. I'm gonna set this up real quick so you guys can basically see how I set my transmission lines up. It's not that simple. I mean, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to do. So you need your transmission AN fittings, and you're gonna connect the AN6 90 degree to those. And after that, you just connect these are actually push locks fittings, so you don't need no hose clamps or anything like that. And you're gonna take the transmission lines, which is the same as power steering hose at AutoZone. I normally order 11 to 12 feet, depending on the vehicle. It's better to have more than not enough. So let me set it up and show you guys what we got here. I did here. That AN fitted hit my tooth. Trying to switch the camera around. So, and they have these little washers here, which I should have showed you guys before. These little washers back here. Don't over tighten it and damage your washer. Sorry about that. So we have, sorry about that. So on the back here, they have these washers right there. Be careful not to damage those. And this, on this end here, is a 19 or a 3/4, whichever you prefer. Do them a little bit past snug, and then you take your 90. Don't ask me for the part numbers for these things. Just look them up on eBay or something like that. AN6 90 degree, it'll pop up. Tighten both of these down. And then this in here is an 18. See that, 18. Tighten both of them. Tighten both of them. Normally when I do them, I try to do them in a downward angle, that way. But somehow, some way, I always end up, you gotta watch for the starter. So I try to do them downwards like that, but I'm gonna do them past this part, loop it under the starter, and send them all the way to the front of the car up there. So let me show you how I do this, and I'll get back with you. So this is 25 feet. I always order 25 feet because literally you just cut it in half, and you're gonna use 12 feet for each side. I mean 6 feet for each side, but you have another 12 feet left for another project or whatnot. I always run it here first, run it through there. Most of the time I try to run it in between the block, but for this, it's too tight in here. I don't want to pinch anything. So from here, you're just gonna pull them and push it, literally push it on. I don't have my tripod. I try to go to Best Buy and buy it, but they was playing games. But you're just gonna push it on, set the transmission in, and that's pretty much it, man. And now I don't really want to make this how-to video. Matter of fact, if you guys, I'm gonna skip over all this. If you guys want to see how to do the transmission lines, I leave the link in the description below to be the first video. So let me skip through all this because I feel like I'm making this into a transmission line video. But if you are new, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you guys are already been watching, I appreciate all you guys. And let me hurry up and get this in because I'm curious to see what this dry shaft is gonna do. Hopefully it works out. If it does, off to the exhaust shop. All right, y'all. So there was someone on the channel. I can't remember who it was or whatever. I was like, man, I don't know if I have to shorten it. I'm hoping I'm not because he must put the motor in the factory transmission. To put the motor and transmission in the factory location. And they was like, yeah, you're gonna have to shorten it. I'm like, man, I hope not, because in some cases I don't. In this case, hell yeah, got to get shortened, man. So you was right, bro. It's gonna need to be shortened maybe like 2 inches. It's not really even that bad. It's like literally right on there. I'm just having a problem getting the damn dry shaft out. So what I'm about to do now, damn, man. What I'm about to do now, that's his original cross member. And I'm about to install this one. So let's do it. Got my steel toes on. Boy, not recording, I actually can get some work done. You feel me? You feel me? Let me wipe this thing off real quick so I can make it look pretty. All cleaned up under him. I love these cross members, man. They forgot to send me the main bolt that goes all the way through, so I had to do like 4 individual bolts, but look at that. You know? So let's do a recap of how I got the motor in here, because I'm sure a lot of people want to know. We have LS simple mounts, right? We got a Holley oil pan. Let me show you guys the clearance on that. You guys see that? It's like almost no clearance, but it worked out. So let me see here. LS simple mounts. You guys see that up there? LS simple mounts, Holley oil pan, 4L60E transmission, and BRP hot rod cross member. Cross member was this is a beautiful cross member, by the way, man. Great quality. This is the same cross member I used on, I forgot what car that was. I used it on another car too. Use it on a few cars actually. Every cross member is different from BRP. So you got this cross member is like $350 shipped. This Holley oil pan is about $350 shipped. The LS simple motor mounts are about $100. And damn, I just thought about that. That was like almost $800. That's $850 just in mounts. So this is why you guys can see why these swaps can go up in price real quick, man. So that's just pretty much the end of the transmission install. I got to take these all here, all the fuel stuff. I actually got the bag somewhere. Oh, it's still sitting right here. Look at all these. I don't have my drill with me. So I need to start, now that I have the transmission in, I can drill these, put the clamps on and hoses on. All this stuff is coming off because we're going with a digital Dakota dash. And those are the transmission lines that we put up. We're going to run those all the way to the front. And we're going to install them to here. But I'm going to actually try to convert these into AN fittings, push lock style. And I got to get this gearbox out. So let me do some more work, man. Most likely this is going to be the end of the video, so I appreciate y'all, man, and get your paper, dog, and get your credit. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Just a few negatives, not negatives, but you know, just a few things. This is gonna come out. You see this ugly thing? It's gonna be replaced with this here. Got this from Summit Racing, and it's basically gonna connect here. I'm gonna have to do some adjusting and all that. Get that ugly thing up out of there. And when I heard the crappy grinding noise, it's because the starter was actually broke. So the starter was actually facing this way. So he's gonna take it back, get it warrantied out, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I think I'm gonna cut the video here, see if I get some work done. If I do install this, I'll try to get it on camera, but I'm sure you guys seen this before and it's nothing crazy. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, like I said, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Some on my camera. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I got a project coming to you guys. I'm actually uploading a video right now. I'm not sure which one I'm going to upload first. It's either going to be this Impala or this 95 Caprice I'm doing. I started on it about 3 days ago, and everything is going smooth. I know these B-bodies like the back of my head, man, so everything's go freaking great with these cars, man. So I appreciate you guys. Y'all stay smooth, stay quarantining while y'all up in there try to get y'all some little, you know what I'm saying, try to get y'all workout in, try to be healthy, get y'all some fruits. This is a time right now, you guys should be learning something. Whether it's starting up your own business, whether it's getting physically, mentally, emotionally, financially stable, healthy, whatever you want to call it. You guys should be, even if you, for matter of fact, for all you guys, this is the LS Swap channel, so let's go there. For all you guys that want to do your LS Swap and you guys are in quarantine right now, y'all in the house just chilling, if you guys don't come out with a plan to have your car done or at least starting your car, it's not that you guys lack the time, it's the fact that you guys lack the discipline to do your research and do your studying and all that stuff. And come on, man, we got to get some stuff done, man. 2020, they talking about, I don't know about y'all, but out here in California, they talking about already extending it to, April 31st, but people not listening like myself. I'm out here doing stuff, working on cars, but they talk about extending this crap till damn near May, which is the following month, man. So I see it being going all the way to July, man. So it's going to keep going. So 2020 pretty much gone, man. I'm actually going to do a video. It's going to be my next video. I might even go live on it. Going to be talking about how the quarantine has affected me. I mean, how the coronavirus, how it's affected me and my business. So you guys stay tuned for that too. And be blessed. It's Dr. Rue, and I'm out.